So what I suggest is find your talent, what you're really good at, in an industry where there's more than a 90% employment rate. People say, well, that's drudgery. You're telling me not to like my job. And generally, what you find is that when people are really good at something and they have a shot at being great at it, and then they invest the requisite 10,000 hours, patience, maturity to endure the bullshit and injustices that are just common in the workplace, that if they can overcome those things and they can become great at it, top 10%, maybe even top 1%, it doesn't matter what it is. Being really great at anything and the accoutrements of that, money, prestige, camaraderie, people are interested in you, relevance, will make you passionate about whatever it is. So kids don't grow up thinking, I want to be a tax lawyer. But the most sophisticated, thoughtful tax lawyers who get the certification, figure out the tax code, can advise corporations and wealthy people on how to navigate a 4,000-page tax code. Yeah, they fly private. They have a larger selection set of mates. People find their jokes funnier than they are. They have influence over local politics. And that makes them really passionate about tax law. So I think passion is a function of being great at something that people reward you for being great. So your job in your 20s is not to follow your passion, it's to find your talent and then having an honest conversation about what's going to be really required in terms of trade offs to be in the top 10 or 1%.